Murimu wa kansa niguo wa keri hari ikuiria ciumanaga na mirimu iria itari ya kugwatanio, na kansa ya njira ya uciari na ya nyondo hari atumia ari citongoretie hari ikuiria ciumanaga na murimu wa kansa guku bururi-ini. Na kuona andu aingi makurikanaga mari na murimu uyu wa kansa urikitie gutherema na njira nene, undu uyu ari kumana na andu kwaga guthurimwo tene. Andu 42,000 ni makoretwo makionekana na murimu uyu o mwaka, undu uria ukoretwo ugicangira hari ikuo nyingi.
We carry a quarter of the global disease burden in this continent, a huge proportion, and we're only addressing it with 1% of the global health budget. So it's a drop in the ocean.
O mwaka atumia 3,800 nio makoretwo magikua kumana na kansa ya nyondo, kuona hari atumia 5 aria monekana na kansa eno ya nyondo, ana ao matininaga miaka 5 matakuite, na nikio gikundi gitari gia githirikari kia ROCHE gikoretwo gigiteithiriria na njira nene hari uthurimi wa kansa.
Actually 8 out of 10 will not be alive in 5 years. And as ROCHE, we need to change that. We are looking at developed markets that are saying 4 out of 5 women are alive after 5 years. Why? Because diagnosis is happening early.
Na kuona ni gukoretwo na mawitikio matiganite megi murimu wa kansa ya nyondo kuri atumia, undu uria wonanitie hari ona mathenya hari guthomithia muingi ciigi kansa. Gikundi giki kia ROCHE kiugite ni ihinda ikundi itari cia githirikari ikorwo ikirutithania wira na thirikari niguo gukinyira andu aingi na mathomo maria mabatie.
Out of 100 female cancer deaths, we have between 85 to 114 maternal orphans that arise from it. These are children who will live without their mothers.
Na hari kansa ya njira ya uciari kuri atumia, hari atumia 5,236 aria monekana na murimu uyu o mwaka, 3,211 ao ni makuaga. Na kuona hari njira cia kurigiriria, ROCHE ni mahinyiriirie bata wa airitu a thi wa miaka 15 gukorwo makiheo njanjo ya HPV iria iteithagiriria na njira nene, na oho gutigirira atumia ni mathurimwo kaingi kansa ya njira ya uciari, na aria monekana na kansa eno makaheo urigiti mukinyaniru na uria ubatie.
So the first 90 speaks to girls being vaccinated against this virus. We should have at least 70% of women screened with a high performing test. For women who are screened and found to have disease, that's cervical cancer, that they are managed for the disease.
ROCHE unyitaniri na gikundi gia kilele ni mendekithitie marihi ma murimu wa kansa maguithio, na oho makiuga guthamio kwa motungata ma urigiti kuma NHIF nginyagia SHIF, undu uyu ndugakorwo ni uguthararia motungata ma urigiti wa kansa, kuona ni ukuhatiriria andu aingi.
Kenya has a very good, a very well functioning HIV program. How do we leverage that great system and just add on parameters to test for non-communicable diseases? And
as we're transitioning from NHIF to SHIF, and maybe as this woman is getting registered for NHIF, SHIF, for her to access treatment, it will take 2 months for that to mature, for her to be able to access that cover.
Garifotera Kameme TV ni ejetagwo Wagoi wa Muirori.